Hi, I'm Raya the Crawdad Hunter, and my dad has something planned for me, but I have no idea what it is. It's
You have any idea what those are, Ryder? What do they look like?
beans of some sort. What type of bean are they?
I don't know. What kind of bean do you think they are?
I'm not sure. I have no idea. Pea? A pea? I have no idea. Oh my gosh, one just moved.
It didn't. No, it didn't.
Oh, that was your footsteps.
Yeah, it's probably my footsteps.
No, it's moving.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
How would it be moving?
I have no idea. Is there a string under the table?
Who would put a string on the table?
It's freaky. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Like separating. This is scary. That one looks old. Seriously, are these animals?
Do they seem alive?
Yes, they do. Is there like a larva in this thing?
What kind of larva?
I don't know. A thing that would eat it?
Explain to me what you're thinking.
Because maybe a Mexican jumping thing? They're scaring me. I think they're Mexican jumping beans.
What are do you know anything about Mexican jumping beans?
No, I have no idea. I remember Grandpa telling me that a long time ago that jumping beans have larvae in them, like some type of larva. I think there's some sort of larva in them, and it's making them move, or these things are alive. Or they just have been through a machine that makes them staticky forever.
Which guess do you think is right?
Larva. I did some research. I just figured out, that these are Mexican jumping beans. What's inside these little beans are little caterpillars about this big. And what they do is the female moth comes in, lays the eggs on a flower, then the caterpillars start to eat the flower, and as it hardens, they get trapped inside, and it's just basically them moving around in there. So that's just a Mexican jumping bean moving. So it's just basically a caterpillar. The plants that they grow on are Spatiana puviana. They live in the Sonoran Desert. So we're gonna cut open a Mexican jumping bean. Don't hurt it. You stabbed it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, I think we can get it open now. My dad just cut open one of these, and I'm gonna try and open it. Oh my gosh. It's actually in there. It's in there. Can you see that? That's amazing. So we got a Mexican jumping bean cut open, and here's the larva. I'm just so amazed that there would actually be something in it. So there's the larva. Here, let me turn him around. That's his face. Oh, come back. This is one that's in its shell. So that thing is in this thing. And that thing used to be in this shell right here. The texture of it actually feels like thin layers of paper. Just flipping through paper. Learning about Mexican jumping pings was super awesome. I am Riley the Crawdad Hunter. Now go outside and explore the wilderness.